everything you need to enjoy every moment, whenever possible. At least Sundays, when you don't have any other work, at least enjoy a part of your life, like bath. Okay, for the next 1 month, I'm going to enjoy my shower. If you don't have time in the morning, enjoy in the evening. Bath is enjoy. Then I'm going to enjoy my food. Enjoy the taste. Gabba 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 like a radio. You don't know what you hate. No rush. You want to live long, right? Why you are rushing? As if the end is coming. No. So, blending spirituality in life is Sri Vidya. Blending spirituality. Spirituality is not separate from your life. And this puja room concept also should be expanded. Puja room is not the only place where you can act nice. You act. We are peaceful. We have devotion. We don't have any desire. Very good. What is happening? Once you move out of the puja room, you are shouting at others. Make your entire house as puja room. Even though the icons are there, the photos are there or not, you say it all pervading. Follow that in bathroom. Many people, Orthodox people, they are scared when I say recite the mantra in the bathroom also. Oh, there? No, commode is there. And then they go home and then say, Indu that means, wherever you say there is God. There's God here, there's God here, there's God here. Trust me, if I keep my water bottle before me and worship that Om Reem Hom Namah Shivaya, Om Reem Hom Namah Shivaya, without any doubt, for certain length of time, don't you think that this will protect me? What is protecting is not the icon. What is protecting me is not the photograph or this guru. What is protecting you is the trust and the energy from the mantra. That is reality. Trust. I trust she will protect me. That absolute trust is your spirituality. When you don't have trust, you don't bring value to your life. I should have some value. I said in the beginning, you be unique. Not the same old life. What will happen if we die? Maybe 10 days they'll remember. Just now we had a death in our family, and that gave me a lot of exposure to the reality. Within the second day, it came all right. So then, wow, if I pass away, all these people saying, Guru Pyasi, Guruji, you should be with my life, that's not reality. They are going to switch on their TVs after 1 week. It's reality. And maybe one photograph in the garden for a couple of months. Maybe in the attic, the photograph for a couple of years. After that, you vanish. Is that the life I want? No way. No. My struggle is, I don't want to hang on to the walls. I want to hang on to your heart, the hearts of people. What should I do to be alive in multitude of fellow beings? You should do something unique. They should remember you. Their generations should remember you. And that is Sri Vidya. If you practice and if you tell the mantra, it will pass on. Tomorrow you can become Guru and can become a Guru. You try to become a Guru and teach. I'm not saying out of ego or something like that. And teach. When you watch a movie, good movie, Bahubali, you recommend that Bahubali to everybody. Hey, you watch the movie. Why don't you recommend spirituality to everybody? Hey, you recite the mantra. It's very good. I'll teach you. Once you learn, you practice, experience, teach. Then you will understand the other big life. When we leave the body, thousands and hundreds of thousands people should remember us in sweet memory. Wow, what a life. I wish he was there for some more time. Great soul.